Hello and welcome to my new channel. Please subscribe, comment, like and share. Here are the top 5 strange creatures that lives in an ocean. Number 5. Red-lipped batfish. I personally call it Donald Trump fish. I am kidding. Red lips attract prey and fins help these fish wall on the seafloor near the Galapagos Islands. They also have a retractable snout that they can use to get prey close to their mouths. Number 4. Vampire squid. These animals have the largest eyes of any animal proportional to their size. They live at 10,000 feet under the surface in the mesopelagic and bathypelagic regions of the world's temperate and tropical world oceans and can survive in the low oxygen environment of those layers. Number 3. Sea pens. A sea pen is actually a colony of polyps with tentacles that form branches and look like a quill pen. Sea pens, found in the shallow waters of New Zealand, root to the sea floor with an anchoring bulb to which the colony can retreat if it is threatened. Number 2. Clown frogfish. The skin of the clown frogfish is covered with numerous small, wart-like protuberances. Its huge progressive face allows it to devour its prey size. Its color is extremely variable because it matches its living environment. Number 1. Last but not least. Blob sculpin. These bulbous creatures are hard to spot because they are reclusive by nature. The 2-foot-long fish nest on sea floors up to a mile deep off California's coast, and the males guard the eggs until they hatch. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on the next video.